Hey travelers, welcome back to another adventure with Holiday on My Mind. Today we're setting sail for the fortified city of Valletta, Malta. Buckle up, because this 16th century marvel is bursting with history, charm, and some surprising secrets. Our journey begins above the majestic Grand Harbor, a natural marvel that's been a strategic port for thousands of years. Here, the fortified walls of Valletta, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, hug the coastline, and the harbor boasts history as rich and vibrant as the deep blue water it holds. For millennia, this natural harbor has been a coveted possession due to its strategic location and deep waters. It played a pivotal role in the Great Siege of Malta in 1565, where the knights successfully defended the island against the Ottoman Empire. Over the centuries, the harbor has been substantially modified to meet the needs of the times. Docks, wharves, and formidable fortifications like Fort Ricasoli stand as testaments to its enduring importance. Today, the Grand Harbor thrives as Malta's main port, a busy center for commerce and trade. From the majestic cruise ships and ferries to cargo vessels, the harbor caters to a variety of maritime needs. But the Grand Harbor is much more than just a commercial hub. It's a tourist magnet, drawing visitors with its breathtaking beauty. Take a scenic boat tour and marvel at the harbor's vastness, or admire the panoramic vistas from the upper Baraka Gardens. Valletta is tiny. At just under a square kilometer, it's known as one of the smallest capital cities in the world. But don't let size fool you. It's jam-packed with things to see and do. Built by the Order of Knights of the Hospital of St. John in the 16th century, these fortifications withstood countless of sieges, earning Valletta the title City of the Invincible Fortitude. Valletta's architecture is a captivating blend of styles, reflecting its rich history and strategic importance. The city's ingenious urban plan, designed by Italian military engineers, unfolds beneath us. Malta is known for its brightly colored balconies, a tradition that goes way back. But did you know that the original purpose wasn't just decoration? Back in the day, the color of your balcony reflected your social status. Much of Valletta's architectural character comes from the Baroque period, roughly between the 17th and 18th century. This style is characterized by ornate decorations, curved facades, and dramatic use of light and shadow. When you're in Valletta, make sure you visit St. John Cathedral, which is a prime example of Maltese architecture, and it's renowned for its lavish interior adorned with sculptures, frescoes, and Caravaggio's masterpiece, The Beheading of St. John the Baptist. The local golden-hued limestone is a defining feature of Valletta's architecture. This warm, weather-resistant stone gives the city its unique character. While Baroque dominates, there are also 19th century neoclassical influences evident in structures like the Parliament building with its austere columns and symmetrical design. But Valletta is up with modern times. It has undergone careful restoration efforts, ensuring its historical buildings are preserved. So take a walk down the city center, enjoy coffee at one of its many shops, then make your way to the upper Baraka Gardens to admire the view and to witness the cannon firing ceremony. Every day at noon and 4 p.m., a ceremonial cannon salute is fired from the saluting battery. This tradition dates back centuries and serves as a reminder of Malta's military history. If you're in Valletta, make sure you visit the library, the National Museum of Archaeology, Casa Rocca Piccola, St. John's Cathedral, the City Gate, and of course, the Grand Master's Palace and Fort St. Elmo. You'll find that the locals are welcoming, the food is delicious, and most importantly, the weather is extraordinary. So tell me, what's your favorite piece of Valletta's history? Let me know in the comments, and if you like this video, subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Safe travels!